Robby Dobby? Is that my Robby Dobby? Yeah, is that my Robby? See, I'm a good boy. See, I'm a really good boy. Yes, I am. I love to be petted. And I love to get hugs. I wish I could show you guys a hug. Because Robby loves hugs. He does. You can't see it though. He loves other kitties. He does. And he loves hugs. And he's so beautiful. Look how beautiful you are, Robby. Look at that beautiful boy. Huh? He's the cutest little meow. You heard a little squeak in the beginning of the video, and that was Robby's meow. He's not a super talker, but he will answer. Yeah? Is that my Robby? Is that my Robby Dobby? Yes, he is. It's my Robby Dobby. Hey, Robby.